Slipping the first stitch of every row creates a nice neat selvage. This avoids an uneven and twisted edge stitch that comes from working the stitch twice, once at the end of a row and then again at the start of a row. It makes the edges smoother and easier to sew up. Always slip your stitch purlwise unless you're told specifically in the pattern instructions to do it knitwise. So insert your needle in through the first stitch on your left hand needle as if to purl, and then slide it off onto the right hand needle without knitting it. Continue to the end of the row, working the last stitch as normal. Even when you're starting a knit row, you should always slip the stitch purlwise unless you've been told specifically in the instructions to slip it knitwise.